Want to know the secret to the crispiest, juiciest fried chicken you've ever had? Forget everything you thought you knew. This isn't just another recipe. This is the recipe that will make you a legend. So, are you ready to change your fried chicken game forever? Let's get cooking. First up, let's gather our weapons of choice. You'll need 2.5 pounds of chicken pieces. I like thighs and drumsticks. For our magical dredge, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and a teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. For the wet part, we'll use 2 cups of buttermilk and 1 large egg. And finally, about 4 cups of vegetable or peanut oil for frying. First things first, let's get our chicken ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your buttermilk and the egg. Now, submerge your chicken pieces in this glorious mixture. Make sure every piece is fully coated. Cover it up and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 4 hours. But honestly, overnight is even better. This is where the magic really starts, tenderizing the chicken and packing it with flavor. While our chicken is having its spa day, let's prepare the dredge in another large bowl. Combine the flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Whisk it all together until it's perfectly blended. This combination is key to that unbelievably crispy crust. Alright, our chicken is marinated and happy. Now it's time for the main event. Heat your oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil is heating up, take a piece of chicken out of the buttermilk, letting any excess drip off. Then dredge it generously in our flour mixture. Press the flour into the chicken to make sure it sticks. For extra crispy results, you can double dip back into the buttermilk, then back into the flour one more time. Carefully place the chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. We want to fry them in batches. Let them cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side, until they're a beautiful golden brown and cooked all the way through. Once they're done, transfer them to a wire rack to drain. This keeps the bottom from getting soggy. Listen to that crunch. And there you have it. The most incredible, crispy, and juicy fried chicken you'll ever make. The crust is perfect, the meat is tender. It's just pure happiness on a plate. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to any other recipe. If you love this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!